We've seen plenty of gaming chairs before, but never one like this. This is Acer's Predator Thronos gaming chair. Just by looking at this thing, you can tell it's pretty unusual. It looks more like a cockpit than something I'd consider a gaming chair. What it has, it's basically a recliner that you can jump into, and it also has space to hold 3 27-inch monitors that kind of come around you. It almost looks like a scorpion tail curled up. The entire setup can move around, so you can recline the seat even more. There's a footrest that you can extend as well, and the monitors come up and down. There's a lot of mechanics involved in this thing. And this wouldn't be a gaming chair if it didn't have a little rumble. As I was playing Tomb Raider and just running around, I could feel the chair vibrating as rocks were falling next to me, and with every gunshot, you could really feel it as well. It was a little awkward to control because the keyboard is just sitting right in front of you and the mouse. It really feels like you're in a strange little cocoon of gaming. And the chair was also great for the new Tomb Raider game. It spans across all 3 monitors, so it's just a nice expansive worldview. And I think in particular for racing games where you'll have the main car in front of you and just having things fling by you, and flight simulators as well, this will be a good setup for people who really want to get into those types of immersive situations. As a chair, the Predator Thronos is pretty comfortable. It felt like I could sit there and just game for several hours on end. But if Acer is really going to go through with this, they kind of have to give us more space to veg out for a while. I'd love a cup holder, just have a big drink next to me, maybe some space for some pizza or something. There's some pockets along the side, but nothing too great for storage. And when it comes to sound, it seems like you'll mainly be relying on headphones. Maybe eventually you'll be able to put speakers somewhere here too, but most gamers these days tend to want the isolating experience of a good pair of headphones. Acer was really talking about this thing as a perfect addition to a man cave, but it could be useful for a gamer who doesn't actually have much room to spread out, but wants to still have a nice immersive experience. And it'll be interesting to see if we see more devices like this. There have been a few really expansive gaming chairs, but typically they're just simple chairs with nice ergonomics and they rumble a little. This is taking things a huge step forward. Unfortunately, Acer isn't talking about pricing yet, but just looking at the size of this thing and the mechanics involved, it's probably going to be really expensive, and you can look forward to seeing it by the end of the year. Stay tuned to Engadget.com for more news from IFA 2018.